midpoint. With the midpoint, the formula that I prefer for midpoint, there's only one that I prefer. So the one that I prefer that we use for midpoint is mx is equals to x2 plus x1 all over 2. And the reason that we want x2 plus x1, but I'm trying to go gradient thing. So that's why I want to keep that logic here. Now to x1 plus x2, it really doesn't matter here. And then we say midpoint of y is equal to y2 plus y1 all over 2. Why do I prefer this particular formula over those other ones? Is because if you are given the two coordinates, you substitute here, you find the midpoint of x, you substitute here, you find the midpoint of y. Right? How for midpoint and missing one of the coordinates? You go to substitute your midpoint within your mona. You substitute your midpoint within your mona. Your y will be missing, your x will be missing. You'll be able to solve that value. Now we are doing that one. The first one says find the midpoint of A, B. So it means I'm going to label this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, midpoint of x, I'm not giving the midpoint, I think I am x, right? But I have what? X2, you can? 3 plus 2. All over, man? 2, right? 3 plus 2? 5. I'm going to do 5 over 2. That is the midpoint here. X. Then I go for midpoint y in y. Midpoint y, I'm not giving the midpoint. Y2, 6. Plus man, for all over man, 2. This will give me 10 over 2, which is actually 5. Midpoint of y is 5. It means the midpoint. In coordinates form, it will be 5 over 2n. 5 over 2n. 5. This is what you can be given. Right? That's what you have. Number 2, second scenario at the midpoint. They say to you now, the midpoint it is 5 over 2 and 5, and you are given the coordinates of A and B, which is 3 and 6. X and Y. You don't have the coordinates of A. I want to. You see with this one, what am I giving here? I'm giving what? The midpoint. And I'm missing one of the coordinates. So in terms of what I'm going to use there, it's the same thing that I've been using, which is your midpoint formula. M x is equals to x2 x1 all over 2. Here m y is equals to y2 plus y1 all over 2. Now I'm given what this time around? The midpoint. What is the midpoint of x? 5 over 2. And yet, the midpoint of x there, it is 5 over 2. Remember to label your values. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. X2 3 plus 1, x all over 2, right? Then we have 5 over 2. This side, midpoint by y to 5. Is equals to y2, 6 plus y all over 2. Then we have to simply do what kind of cross multiply. But don't take this one to that side, please. Basically. But we do what we have been doing. 2 to multiply like 5 to 5, 10 over 2, right? Is equals to 3 plus x. This is 5, right? So it's going to be 5 minus 3 in fact 2. 2 is equals to x. By what? This side again, I'm going to say 2 multiplied by 5 is what, guys? 6 plus y. Y will be 10 minus 6. 4. Right, what? So it means the coordinates of A, they are what? 2 and 4. 2 and 4. You become an examiner.